Careful, bud. Sit. Big old chest. Okay, here we go. Ugh. What's going on, YouTube? It's been a minute. As you can tell, we are trailing the boat out. We had it put away in the garage for the year. We were done. Decided, what the hell, one last shot, one last kick at the can here. We are gonna be launching her for the last time. Without a doubt, the last fish of the year. We got some rainy, snowy mixture going on right now. It's brisk 2 degrees this morning too, so we got the float suit on. Chester's back there. Chester's got his life jacket on, his personal flotation device. Not really sure what the target species is gonna be. Everything this year is kind of grouped up together in the same area, so you'll be catching some smallies, whiteys, pike, who knows. All right. Oh, shit. Well, the town took the dock out to make things more complicated. Beautiful. All right, plug. Check. Key. I don't know why I'm feeling super forgetful. Watch out, buddy. There you go. She's floating. It's okay. It's okay. You can be excited. Let's roll. Hey. Well, buddy, let's do this. Last fish in the boat, 2021. Just throwing this rattle bait around, just this white guy. And we will see what happens. This was the bait that got it done last year. So I'm hopeful that it'll be good to go this year as well. You never know. I call this getting ready for winter. This conditioning myself. Don't fall in, buddy. Oh. It's been a little while since I've posted on the old YouTubes, which I apologize for. Life just got busy, new job. I tried to make a few videos, but just they didn't work out. So hopefully today's a different story. Looking into winter, you know, big plans, a lot of ice camping, ice fishing, that kind of thing to look forward to as well. But I'm definitely okay with this being the last time in the boat this year because it's cold. You're okay. What? Hard being a good boy. I know. Well, weather's holding up. It's not too bad out here. Dressed for the occasion. I was expecting it to be rainy and snowy and windy. But this isn't too bad. Hey, what do you think?
2 very boring minutes later.
It's looking really dark back there. It's not good. This is not good. Got some white caps out here now too. Wow. Really, weather flipped on us so quick. There it is. Oh, that's snow. That's snow 100%. Jesus Christ. Weather can really change in an instant. Really dangerous. You gotta be careful. You gotta prepare for anything. I'm really happy I got my float suit on right now. All the layers, I got my big warm boots on. Chest has got his life jacket on just in case. But this really got nasty really fast. I think we're gonna call it. Not worth it. It's not worth it. Stay. Stay. We're about halfway back to the boat now, and it is, oh, look ahead of us. It is so snowy. Look at those flakes. It's incredible. It's supposed to be raining out here. And, well, look at this. I can't believe we're in this situation. Haven't been this happy to get out of the boat in a long time. That was something else. Happy to get the boat out of the water for good. That's it. That's it, bud. We did not manage to catch anything, but we got back safe. Those conditions were unfavorable, to say the least. And yeah, it was an experience and a half, that's for sure. Good. Oh yeah. Always a little bittersweet putting the old girl to sleep for the winter. But she had a good run this year. She had a good season. A lot of good times. Oh. Really? Really? Chester, no. Leave the hat. Chester. I'll trade you. What's this? Ha!